Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Yes, thank you for tuning in. And what I have tonight for you guys, I have a wig review. As I said in my other videos, I have a wig review to get out the way. I have plenty of wigs that I have to review for you guys. Nobody sent me anything to do a review for them, but I paid for these wigs with my own money. So a wig that I have for you guys, it is called WigPop. Well, it is by OUTRE WigPop synthetic wig, and her name is TINAYE. It is in a DR4 honey gold. It is heat resistant fiber. It's safe up to 400 Fahrenheit. So this is what it looks like, you guys. And I will let you guys know where I got her from. I had her for a while now. I got this wig from Wigstype, and she was, let me see how much I paid for her. Well, I got her from Wigstype. You can search her up. Well, I'll list everything down below. Okay? From wigstype.com. Take her out the package. And I always keep my packaging so that I can place my wig back in. Okay, and I also keep this too, the paper and the net. This is what she looks like. This is what the wig looks like on the inside. The cap. Lace cap. I mean, it's not a lace wig, but it's like lace material. Okay. And it has its adjustable straps for the fitting of your head. And I usually attach it to the last strap, which I'm about to show you now. Just put it up in there. Okay. And it does have a comb in the back. And it has its logo. WigPop synthetic full wig. That's what it says on the tag here. And it has 2 combs on the side here. Two combs on the side and 1 in the back. No combs in the front. The hair is really soft. Feels really full. And I'm gonna let you know if this wig is big head friendly. I mean, it really fits tightly on your head. Okay. The ear tabs here. Okay, where you can pin it. Well, press it closely to your temples. Okay. Wow, I am loving the look of this wig. Oh my goodness, she's beautiful, y'all. She is beautiful. Oh wow, she is beautiful, y'all. I am loving this wig. I'm going to brush her. Wow. And it really matches my skin tone too, my complexion. Okay. Y'all, you can wear this wig on your job. You can also wear her to an event that you may have. You can wear her to church. Or you can wear it anywhere you like to wear her. Okay, and this is what she looks like in the front. And this is what she looks like on the side. What she looks like in the back. Inside. Y'all, I am loving her. There's really nothing you can do with her, but just put her on your head and go. Not too much maintenance. She's a synthetic wig. You can, use heat up to 400 degrees. If you want to bump her up with a few curls in it, in her. So, yeah. I am loving her. Oh my goodness. Yes. Let me know what y'all think about this wig. I am loving this wig, y'all. Wow. They're gonna want to take this wig from me at work. Yes. I am going to wear her to work. Wow. Wow. And she is big head friendly. It's not too big. It's really snug. Really. I'm sure if you do have a big head, you can wear this wig. You can wear it because it's really snug. Okay, it's not too tight on your head. It will not give you a headache. And I just love the bang, I don't too much like to wear it in my eye. But I am loving this look. Okay. She's a full wig cap. She's not lace. No lace wig. Okay, she's not a lace wig. Alright, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm not going to stay on here long. But yeah, this is her. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you like this wig, please check out Wigstype.com. And like I said, I will list the information down below so that you can go ahead and purchase you one. Her name is TINAYE. Ooh, yes, she's cut in a little bob style, like little bob. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and please stay tuned because you never know what I may have next for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.